Very first ever mail-in repair. It's I believe a Dremel battery replacement. I don't normally do mail-ins. Normally just local, but someone saw the video and wanted it done, so it's exactly the same model, looks like. And this one has a battery issue. This turns on and then turns off. Yeah, it just kind of turns on and then turns off. So let's take this thing apart. It has a couple screws. There we go. Okay. I think it has an allowance. Okay. I need to get a little flat head here. The head has to pop off. Forgot about that. The head pops off like that. And then I believe it's this little clip. Let's take the sticker right off. Okay. Alright, there we go. It snaps off quite nice. I really like that. So this is it. And basically you have two batteries in here. Let me just test out this. And we'll just check out the voltage. So we're getting about 6 volts. And each of these is should be 3.7. So one of them is low. Let me just see. So this one's 3.1. And this one's 2.8. So we had some bad cells. Interesting. I'm just gonna cut this off. Okay, let me try to find a replacement battery for this. I'm just gonna remove this old battery here. They kind of like weld them on, so it's not too easy to take off the circuit board. Need to have some pliers to pull that off. Okay. Here we go. Okay. go. There we go. So this is the positive and then the negative side here. And each should be 3.7 volts. And we can see here that one is 2.8, so that one's really low. And this one's 3. Now I don't know how fully charged these are, but definitely they're not holding its charge, so we can get some replacement batteries. So I have charged up. We have our replacement batteries here, and you can see a good battery. We have 3.8, okay, up to like 4, and I had these going for about a week. So these are our replacement batteries here, and it has a plus and a minus. So this side right here is plus, and on here it has a plus and minus as well. I'm going to be attaching the drill like that. Okay. And it does have a little sensor as well. So it has this little heat sensor that we need to get here. So let me solder on this, and then we'll use some electrical tape as well. Okay. Okay, we'll use some electrical tape here to hold these guys together. And right here as well. Alright, so that's our batteries here. Going to put some tape on the bottom as well, just so it doesn't short out. And we'll just go around like that. Perfect. Fits snug in there. Now the case. she's really going. Just one thing that I discovered again is the bottom cannot be taped, otherwise you won't be able to charge it. So just the bottom section here, you need to have these contacts so that it can charge. Okay. Just like so. You now see the contacts here, so the positive and negative has to go through those slots to charge the battery, and then when we turn on.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.